What's going on, Mullen fam? Just wanted to take a look at the chart, give y'all a quick update on ticker symbol MULN. I know a lot of people out there involved in this stock are using Robinhood, and you don't have access to different indicators and stuff like that to help your trading and your decisions on stocks like Mullen. If you need access to look more closely into these stocks' price actions and looking at different indicators, I find Webull to be very helpful for me. And if you would like, my link is down in the description for Webull, and you could also sign up to get free stocks as well. Good news for Mullen Automotive yesterday, receiving $150 million cash to accelerate production and deliveries for the company. With that news, we got a push crossing over on the MACD. We got up to around 31 cents, and we started getting short attacked all the way back down. And what is interesting is that 25 cents did hold again after we got pushed back down. And then the previous day, we also held above 25 cents, bouncing off of 26 cents. Now, looking at the chart, we were obviously supposed to get a bounce somewhere in here. But however, we got a long red candle wick up to 32 cents that looks very suspicious, and we've seen those before, and I'll show you in a little bit, but we didn't get a push back up. However, now the stock is trying to recover here early morning and pre-market from this short attack down, because that's what these short sellers do. They short on the down ticks, so it would look very drastic and cause people to panic sell. And the way that they control that is things you've already heard me covered in this video. They are able to send and reroute buy orders to the dark pool, which in turn cools off the RSI, allowing them to start ladder attacking the stock back down. Keep in mind, Citadel Securities, the market maker, is attached to Mullen Automotive Play. And the reason why I say that spike was so peculiar is that to 32 cents is because it happened back mid-October. 32-cent spike here and another spike here. And the difference between the 32-cent spike yesterday and these ones back here mid-October is that these happened right at 4 a.m. 4 a.m. when no one is trading. We had these red candles up to 32 cents. Another reason that is interesting is because that happened right before we had a run from 21 cents all the way up to around 65 cents before pushing back down. Looking at the daily, obviously the stock has been trending down in a tight channel, and at the end of the channel you can see that we had this pop in the stock price, followed by what is looking like a bottoming process, is what I've been telling you all, because Mullen Automotive CEO has been aggressively updating shareholders and is playing offense as well, as far as making these strategic moves while the stock is at its lowest point. And a lot of big investors are realizing, with everything that's been put out on Mullen Automotive, that this stock is too cheap to ignore, and big institutions such as Vanguard and BlackRock are doubling down and loading up heavy on Mullen Automotive stock even at these ranges. Now, I did say that BlackRock was known for loaning out shares to these short sellers. Not saying that they haven't done that already, because they could have on the way down and then double down recently so they can ride the wave back up at a much cheaper price. So keep that in mind as well. I still believe that they may have been loaning out shares to these short sellers in the past on the way down. But if they are indicating that they're bullish now and loading up here near the bottom, then that is a good sign. Lastly, let's take a look at the weekly chart. The MACD is still green. All of this time during this downtrend, the MACD has been green. The stock has been heavily compressed down to avoid an inevitable move, in my opinion. And I think that the more that this market maker compresses the stock down, the more violent the move up will be once it happens. That's all I got for this video. Hope y'all find this information valuable. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Stay charged up. Don't feed the fear. And I'll catch y'all the next one. I'm gone. Go. Less than the